Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name's Natasha and I'm a part-time seller on eBay, Depop, Poshmark, and Mercari. Today I'm going to go over my sales for June and I will cover my lowest sales for the month. I will also cover my quickest flips and also the things that sold for the big bucks. So let's get into the numbers. So for the month of June, the first week and the third week of June, I made a gross sales of over $1,000 for both weeks. I stayed in close to $1,900 the second week of June, and then that summertime slowdown, it has just dropped since then. So I did end up selling 10 items on Depop, 3 items on Mercari, 17 items on eBay, and 56 items on Poshmark. And that led to a total sales of $3,862.53, total fees of $749.68. Total cost of goods sold is $524.42, and a final profit for the month of June is $2,588.44. So we are excited about that. It was, like I mentioned in the intro, cleared out some things, did some quick flips, but super excited that the cash flow kept coming. All right, let's see what sold. Okay, so first off, I do want to cover the lowest sales for the month, and this is going by the amount sold, not the profit from it, but I'll cover that as well. One Sunset Lane women's XL hand-painted leaf denim jacket. This sold for $17 with a total fee of $3.40 and a COGS of $3. The final profit on this one was $10.60, and it sold on Poshmark. Took 138 days to sell. Tommy Bahama Hawaiian floral shirt XL. This sold for $14 and a total fee of $2.02 with a COGS of $6.56 and a final profit of $5.42. This sold on eBay and it took 145 days to sell. And finally, we have the Bolden blue-green dot print ruche sheath midi dress. This sold for $12 with a total fee of $2.95 and a COGS of $3. The profit on this one was $6.05 and it sold on Poshmark. It took 147 days to sell. If you go to my closets, mainly go Poshmark, you will be able to see that there are several items listed that have the words reduced on it, and that's because we're trying to clear out that closet. So we're having people slowly come in and start buying. I just have a lot of stuff, so I need to get rid of it, but definitely check out the closet, and you'll see items priced $12 to $15, and more will be added as I'm trying to clean out more of my closet. Right now, we are on a huge mission, and that is to grow this community to over 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you haven't joined yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that we can continue scaling our reselling businesses and make money together. So thank you so much for your support, and now back to the video. So next up are my quickest sales for the month of June, and I have 3 for this one. So first up is Toes on the Nose Schooner long sleeve hoodie sea silk UPF performance. This was new at tags. This sold for $52.20 and had a total fees of $9.60 and a cost of goods sold of $10.13. The final profit on this one is $32.47. It sold on eBay and it took 0 days to sell. 0 days to sell. And I had never heard of the brand. It is a surfer brand. I think what helped is Sea Silk and the UPF. Along with this, I am now on the lookout for Toes on the Nose. All right, next up we have the Gap black tiered midi dress, large, tall 100% cotton, and this had 3/4 sleeves. This sold for $38 with a total fees of $7.60 and a $5 cost of goods sold. The final profit on this one was $25.40. It sold on Poshmark and it took 1 day to sell. Next up, we have Revolve Tiare Hawaii Red Floral Smocked Maxi Dress. And this sold for $46 with a total fee of $9.20 and a COGS of $1.75, which means I picked it up at the bins. The final profit on this one is $35.05. It sold on Poshmark and it took 6 days to sell. Finally, we have my top 10 top sellers for the month of June. And I'm going by the gross sales, and we'll start from the bottom. So the Free People Femme Combo Floral Lace Up Mini Dress, it was an XL. This sold for $55 with a total fees of $11 and a COGS of $8. The final profit on this one was $36 and it sold on Poshmark and it took 146 days to sell. This one I picked up, A, it was new with tags, B, it was just a gorgeous color. So this was in, it was an XL. The fact that it took 146 days to sell really, really surprised me, to be honest. I had it at 65 originally, and I did what I had mentioned in my strategy in the video for the first week of June for what sold. And on that Friday, I lowered the price. And so all the people who liked it could see I lowered it to 55 and it sold within 5 minutes of me lowering that price. So playing with the price can be helpful. I like to play with the price on paydays, which is for most people on Friday. This time it worked. Next up, we have a Roller Rabbit Lucknow Serafina Tunic. This was a size large. This was also new with tags, and it was a tassel dress. This sold for $55 with a total fee of $11 and a COGS of $7.60. The final profit on this one was $36.40. It sold on Poshmark and it took 28 days to sell. All right, so vintage 2003 Banana Republic black leather hobo bag, Y2K minimalist. This sold for $55 and the total fees on this one was also $11 with a COGS of $5.06. The final profit on this one was $38.94. It sold on Poshmark and it took 25 days to sell. I knew this would sell. I knew hobo bags were back in. I remember being the hobo bag girl back in the day, and I used to have this Chloe hobo bag that I worked hard and spent my money on, and I loved it and got so many compliments, and it reminded me of this, except mine was tan. Karen Millen black sleeveless ruffle sheath dress. It's a US 8, and this sold for $60 with a total fee of $12 and a COGS of $7.11. The final profit on this one is $40.89. It sold on Poshmark and it took 130 days to sell. New with tags, Tommy Bahama silk wrap top XL, size 16. This sold for $60 with a total fee of $17.60 and a COGS of $5.30. The total profit on this one was $65.10 and it sold on Poshmark and it took 124 days to sell. This was also new with tags. One of those things I'm like, why is this sitting around? And it was sitting around because the price was too high. I originally had it at $90 and I thought Tommy Bahama silk, this is classic, preppy, old money looking, and would dress up any event. But price was too high, and I think it still took about a week for it to sell. Faherty striped sunwash crew neck sweater. This was the Desert Hill sweater. It was a men's, and it sold for $88 with a total fee of $17.60 and a COGS of $5.30. I made a final profit of $65.10. This sold on Poshmark and it took 15 days to sell. Vintage 90s Neiman Marcus silk horse print. This was a size medium. This sold for $102 with a $20.40 in total fees and a COGS of $7.69. The final profit on this one was $73.91. And it took 39 days to sell. I found this dress in a Goodwill. See that horse? I was like, this is gorgeous. This is the type of dress that either an equestrian would wear on a night out, or just somebody who enjoys artwork that looks like that. And the fact that it was from Neiman Marcus was even better. And from the 90s, even had stains on it. And I noted that there were stains on it. I saw one comp for this dress, and that was for $120. So I said, I'll do 120 because I only found one comp, one dress that looked exactly like it. So I was like, and that one was at an actual boutique or consignment store. I was like, okay, well, there seems to be two left on this earth. So let's go ahead and give it a try. And the person came back and they offered me $102. I said, Mary Mecco, Anthropologie black velvet wide leg crop pants. These sold for $120, and the total fees on this one is $24 with a COGS of $10.13 and a final profit of $85.87. This sold on Poshmark, and it took 8 days to sell. Veronica Beard Lydia Ultra Slim jeans. These were size 30 onyx, and these were also new with tags. Sold for $125 with a total fee of $25 and a COGS of $5.06. The final profit on this one was $94.94. This sold on Poshmark, and it took 49 days to sell. Finally, we have our J. McLaughlin blue window pane linen sport coat blazer. This was a size 38, and it was made in Italy. I did not know J. McLaughlin made stuff in Italy. I did not know they made men's clothing. To be honest, this is the first time I've ran into men's clothing for J. McLaughlin. This sold for $130 with total fees of $27.34 and a COGS of $10.13. The final profit on this one is $92.53. It sold on eBay, and it took 2 days to sell. Fortunately, I was able to do an AI image with the jacket. I think that helped out a lot to actually see how it could be worn. Okay, so overall, June was an incredible month. We cleared out some old inventory items. We also did some quick flips. And most importantly, we kept the cash flow moving. So super excited about that to keep this business going. But I do want to hear from you in the comments. Let me know, did you sell more on eBay or Poshmark? And also, has this summertime slowdown, has that impacted you at all? And what do you do during that time to either try to get through it or to keep it at bay? And I would love some tips for the community to deal with this summertime slowdown. So, and finally, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. And until next time, bye.